Good morning, students. I hope that you all are doing well and studying at your home. Dear students, in our today's lecture, we shall start learning our new unit number 6, Clean Water is a Blessing. Dear students, before starting reading this unit, let's have a glance over pre-reading statement of this unit. The statement is read the highlighted words in the text and predict what the unit is about. So students, look at the pictures present on your slides. These are the pictures of your whole lesson. Notice that some words are written from red color or they are highlighted. So those highlighted words are water, resource, inadequacy, and shortage. Dear students, water means a colorless, transparent, odorless, tasteless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers, and is the basic need of life. And the meaning of resource is something that can be used to help you. And inadequacy means lack of quantity or quality required. And the last word is shortage, which means a deficiency in quantity. Students, after reading the highlighted words, I predicted that this unit could be about the importance of water and why are we facing shortage of water. Now to know more about this lesson, let's start reading, students. Now open your book to page number 43. Put your finger on the very first line of this unit and read aloud and carefully with me. Water is a vital component of life. It covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is a valuable resource of the Earth. It keeps us alive. It moderates climate to make it habitable for living beings. Only 3% of water available on Earth is fresh water. Fresh water gives us life, so it needs to be used carefully. It is one of the resources that are non-renewable. Oceans and seas constitute 97% of water on Earth, which we cannot drink because it is too salty. Rainwater, surface water, for example lakes, rivers, streams, etc., and underground water constitute our freshwater resources. Now students, turn your page and come to page number 44. Excessive use of water is depleting our freshwater resources. We unconsciously waste water in everyday life in the following ways: running the tap while brushing teeth, water leakages, washing cars, long showers, etc. If a tap drips once every second, it would waste 5 gallons of water in a day. Water wastage is a serious issue nowadays. Numerous parts of the world are currently facing water inadequacy. Agriculture consumes 70% of available fresh water for irrigation. This causes a lot of water wastage. The modern drip irrigation method can save water. Farmers can also store rainwater in artificial reservoirs and make use of it for watering crops. Water reservoirs are used for storing excess water to conserve this resource. Sprinkling is better than watering indoor plants with a pipe, which can save many gallons of water at domestic level as well. To overcome water scarcity, everyone is required to play his or her part. Saving water from being polluted is another challenge to be faced. Awareness campaigns need to be launched to let common people know about the importance of water and how it should be used in a limited way without wasting it. We will face serious problems if we don't play our role in saving water. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a man performing ablution and he said, "Do not be extravagant. Do not be extravagant in using water. we will face serious problems if we do not play our role in saving water. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a man performing ablution and he said, "Do not be extravagant. Do not be extravagant in using water." Sunan Ibn Majah, Hadith 424. The consequences of wasting water will lead us to droughts, floods, and other global warming effects. In the next few years, there will be a worldwide water shortage if we don't take serious measures to solve this issue. Students, the reading of unit number 6, Clean Water is a Blessing, ends here. Dear students, clean water is really a blessing. It is our basic need and keeps us alive. Water moderates climate to make earth habitable for living beings. And students, only 3% of water available on earth is fresh water. Ocean and seas constitute 97% of water on earth, which we cannot drink because it is too salty. And we have the sources of water like rainwater, surface water, for example lakes, rivers, streams, etc. But students, sadly, nowadays we are unconsciously wasting water in everyday life in the following ways: running the tap while brushing teeth, water leakages, washing cars, long showers, etc. Students, do you know that if a tap drips once every second, it would waste 5 gallons of water in a day? So students, water shortage is a very serious issue nowadays and we are wasting water a lot. Students, the modern drip irrigation method can save water and farmers can also store rainwater in artificial reservoirs and make use of it for watering crops. Dear students, to overcome water scarcity, everyone is required to play his or her part. Saving water from being polluted is another challenge to be faced. Students, we should not waste too much water by running the tap while brushing our teeth, and we should careful about water. And dear students, if we will not care about water, we will face serious problems. And Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that don't be extravagant in using water. So students, in the next few years, there will be a worldwide water shortage if we don't take serious measures to solve this issue. So students, this was all about the description of unit number 6, Clean Water is a Blessing. Students, now let's move to learn the new words of the same unit. Your word number 1 is resource, which means something can be used to help you. Your word number 2 is habitable, means suitable or good enough to live in. Students, your word number 3 is moderate, which means to make something less extreme. Word number 4, non-renewable, which means a resource which cannot be replaced. Word number 5 is constitute, and the meaning of constitute is to form or make something. Word number 6, excessive, and the meaning of excessive is beyond normal limits. Word number 7, deplete, and its meaning is to reduce the amount or number of something. Students, your word number 8 is numerous, which means great in number or many. Word number 9, inadequacy, means lack of quantity or quality required. Word number 10, wastage, and the meaning of wastage is losing or destroying something carelessly. Word number 11, scarcity, means shortage. Word number 12, campaign, means group of people intend to achieve an aim. Word number 13, extravagant, means using too much of something. Word number 14, consequence, which means a result or effect, typically unpleasant. Word number 15, droughts, which means a shortage of rainfall. Students, your word number 16 is flood, and its meaning is a large flow. So, students, we have learned new words of this unit, and your unit number 6, clean water is blessing, ends here. I shall come back with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.